The Shibaura Machine SX3 series all-electric injection molding machine builds on the highly precise and reliable SX2 by improving a key component, the controller. The SX3 comes standard with the V70 Controller, which allows for improved operation of the machine. Most importantly, if you've used the V10, V20, V30, or V50, the V70 will be instantly recognizable and you'll quickly understand the updates and improve your workflow in the process. The 19-inch touchscreen on the V70 is twice the size of the V50, offering you the ability to keep two control pages on screen at the same time. The true split screen capability lets you monitor any two pages. For example, you can show the injection screen in the top half of the display while simultaneously showing the injection profile graphics on the bottom half of the display for unparalleled visibility of the molding process. A new customizable clamp sequence page shows you a visual representation of your clamp cycle. Simply drag and drop steps like clamp open and close, air blow, core pull, ejector actuation, and more. Being able to visually see how the clamp-related functions interact reduces operator error and improves your bottom line. Ejector setup also includes a graphical representation, allowing the user to visually confirm the ejector sequence, helping to prevent mold damage due to improper setup. To assist with analysis and troubleshooting, the V70 offers a host of new tools. To improve output, a cycle analysis screen shows a graphical breakdown of the cycle to allow the operator to find areas where the cycle time can be reduced. For parts that are coming out with common molding defects, the mold support function provides suggestions on how to resolve the defects. Additional troubleshooting tools include a labeled I/O checker and interlock display, allowing you to see the status of all inputs, outputs, and machine interlocks in real time. A new on-screen PDF manual of your SX3 gives easy access to machine documentation. In addition, you have the ability to load manuals for auxiliary equipment, part quality documentation, operating procedures, and more into the onboard PDF library. Monitoring data is now saved for the last 100,000 shots, 100 times more than the V50. Machine alarm, set and stop history have also been expanded to include the last 1,000 of each. All machines are equipped to connect to our optional iPacket data management system, allowing for unparalleled visibility of your molding operation from anywhere. The V70 is now capable of integrating with auxiliary equipment such as robots, hot runner systems, mold temperature controllers, and many others. You're able to see the auxiliary controls on screen side by side other key data on your machine. And with an OPC UA architecture supporting Euromap 63 and Euromap 77 communication and machine autocorrecting functions, the V70 controller is set apart as the most flexible tool to reach your vision of Industry 4.0. At the end of production, the new auto shutdown feature lets you configure a shutdown sequence using drag and drop icons. Simply choose the order of shutdown and drag-in machine functions such as automatic backup of the injection unit, purge sequence, shut off barrel heaters, material loaders, and water before finally loading the next program. This is a great time saver on your production runs and ensures consistent sequencing. To learn how the V70 can benefit your operations, contact your Shibaura Machine representative today.